Hi, I am Amy. I live here in New Jersey with my husband and my 3 children. My 2 oldest children, Lucas and Lara, have a very rare progressive degenerative disease called Cockayne Syndrome. There's many facets to the disease, but one of them is that they can't be outside in the elements without protection. Who's here, Lara? Last year, George to the Rescue came and renovated our basement into an amazing space that brought the entire elements of the outside in. They even created a one-of-a-kind bear cave for the kids to enjoy.
Hey, Cliff,
George, what's going on?
We just found out that George to the Rescue wants to come back and surprise us by doing something magical for Christmas. I'm excited to see all of my children's faces with the magic that George always brings to them.
A ho, 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 and away we go. Snow, icicles, a tree, the old bear on the tricycle act. Classic Christmas tales. All I want is a hippopotamus for Christmas. Who doesn't? Seasonal pillows. Merry, merry. And we have definitely brought the spirit of the season into the Marini house. Let's see what they think.
Oh my God! Look at that, Lara! Oh my goodness! Look at this craziness! I know it!
Can I have the biggest air hug in the world? Or
Oh. We're so excited how you guys brought all this magic to our house. We wish we could pay it forward in some special way.
Well, if you're up for a ride, a few years ago we did a rescue for an amazing young man named Jude Thomas, and I met him at the Hackensack Meridian Health, Hackensack University Medical Center, and I actually filled up the car full of toys. So from here I am heading there.
Let's go.
Hey, Mark and my healthcare heroes, we have come bearing gifts. It's safe to say it has been quite a year for everybody. How are you guys holding up?
So during the course of the pandemic, our community really stepped up by establishing a circle of compassion. We thought it was really important to be able to establish a fund that both the community could contribute to, as well as our own team members could contribute to help each other through those hard times.
I was first introduced to Hackensack Meridian Health when we worked with Tackle Kids Cancer.
It's hard to believe that only 4% of the National Cancer Institute research budget goes towards pediatric cancers. So we rely on the Tackle Kids Cancer to help fund research towards cures in pediatric cancer. That's one of the reasons why we really appreciate what you and Amy have done to pay it forward with bringing gifts for the kids that are upstairs suffering from these life-threatening diseases.
I'm super excited to know that these gifts are going to give so much joy to the children and the families that are patients, but also to the healthcare heroes, because honestly, we wouldn't be able to survive without them during this time. It's truly inspiring.
Thanks for watching. Like what you see on the show? Well, be sure to subscribe to our channel. We have so many more beautiful homes to share. It's all about love. Share these homes, you know?